Oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. The magic word, oxygen, is almost a synonym for life. Because, except for a small number of anaerobic organisms which can survive in absence of oxygen, all living beings require oxygen to breathe. But what is dark oxygen? Well, chemically, it is the same as what we breathe, the same as what we read in chemistry, but with a difference. Its origin is obscure and mysterious. It is found in the most unlikely places, deep, dark, hidden, and, until recently, beyond our reach. How is oxygen produced in nature? Because we use up all the oxygen in burning and breathing. Then how does it again get replenished? The magic of the green plants, which make food by photosynthesis, using solar energy or light energy of sunlight. In this, they release oxygen back to replace what we have used up. But this is possible only if sunlight is available. And sunlight penetrates only to a limited distance. At depths greater than that, there is neither any green plant nor photosynthesis. So, wouldn't you be surprised if you found a continuous stream of oxygen bubbles beyond the depth till which sunrays penetrate? This oxygen is dark oxygen. Because its origin is not due to photosynthesis in presence of light. The non-photosynthetic oxygen from the deep, dark depths of water, this is dark oxygen. What is the origin of the oxygen at places in deep aquifers, previously thought to be anoxic or oxygen-free? There could be certain explanations. The current explanations are unknown microbial activities, water-rock interaction, stone nodules exposed to water, and radiolysis of water. We shall briefly examine these points, but the existence of non-photosynthetic oxygen is no longer in doubt. How is oxygen produced without sunlight, without photosynthesis? One possibility is microbial processes. Although these microbes themselves do not need oxygen to breathe, they produce oxygen internally, that is, within their body cells. The biochemical pathway is, as yet, poorly understood. A second possible method is what we call radiolysis. Just as, during photosynthesis, oxygen is produced by photolysis, that is, splitting of water molecules using light energy, so also, radiolysis is splitting of water molecules using radiation energy. Water-rock interaction is yet a mystery, though interesting. Stone nodules containing iron and magnesium release oxygen when exposed to water. So, the varied sources and theories, nevertheless, confirm beyond doubt that oxygen exists and is continually produced, even in dark ocean depths, where no photosynthesis is possible. The amount of oxygen produced in deep, dark, ocean depths, through processes other than photosynthesis, is quite small, in comparison to photosynthetically produced oxygen by marine chlorophyll-containing organisms. In fact, scientists require special sensors and oximeters to even detect the oxygen presence. But it is of immense biological significance. Life doesn't end where penetration of sunrays end. There are lives even in the darkest and most inconceivable niche of the vast ocean. In spite of the amount of dark or non-photosynthetic oxygen being very small, it has immense practical application. In terms of natural world, existence of deep-sea fish and coral reef require special mention. Other important could be medical technology, environmental monitoring, deep-sea exploration, and sustainable energy production. That is the reason dark oxygen, at apparently inaccessible places, has generated immense interest among scientists. This is one avenue of hot topic for scientific research. So, that was the exciting facts about dark oxygen. It simply means oxygen produced where it is dark, when sun rays do not reach. It is produced not by photosynthesis, but by rock-water interaction or microbial activity. And it has immense significance in nature and has immense medical, scientific, technological, and industrial scope in the days to come.